Hey people, so keeping by this whole thing of making sure to review one Japanese program along with English or Hindi program. There is this program, there is this series called Followers on Netflix, and my God, what a show it is! I mean, uh, it's basically about uh, it follows the lives of these three actresses at different stages in their career, like a struggling actress, an actress who's accomplished and she's being invited to these top notch events, and then this very celebrated photographer. So I mean, from a very storyline perspective, this is so unique, and the portrayal, it's like very very real. Like I mean, this actress who's struggling mostly gets the roles of of a corpse, of having to play these people who jump from buildings, and so that's what they opening shot is of her lying in a, you would think it's a pool of blood, but basically it's a shooting that's going on, and then suddenly she has to uh, you know uh, come back to normal because she's part of this food delivery. That's one of the jobs she does. So it's, my God, this particular series, it's called Followers. um, it really touches your heart, yeah. And it's called Followers because it's about how, no matter how accomplished an actress or a celebrated photographer and all, everybody is just measuring their success according to the number of followers they get on social media. So it's a very very deep social comment, so you'll have to watch it, people. It's called Followers. It's a Japanese show and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.